Hello friends, welcome back to Rose Chommy channel. I'm Ivan, I'm in charge today in the kitchen. I will prepare okra soup, and this will be my first time to prepare a Nigerian soup. So you will be witness for that. Let me know in the comment section your opinion about it. Let's see how it goes. Let's go with the ingredients you will need to prepare this soup. First of all, the main ingredient, that is okra. Okra is a super vegetable because it's rich in antioxidants, it's rich in fiber, also vitamin C, vitamin K and folates that are very important for the body, especially for pregnant women. So the okra, also red bell pepper, also habanero pepper, your red onions, your red oil, and also the meat. You have beef meat, you have cow tripes, that is shaki, you have cow skin, that is pomo, also your smoked mackerel fish and your fresh mackerel fish, your crayfish, your fresh spinach, and also salt and seasoning cubes. It's all you will need. Now let's go with the cooking process. Now we start with the cooking process. Here I have my meat, I have my beef meat here, I have my cow tripe here, and also I have stockfish. Sorry, I forgot to show you the stockfish before when I was telling you about the ingredients. Anyway, if you want to see all the ingredients, you can check them in the description box, okay? So I will cook all the meat together. I put my meat in the pot. You can see. Also, I add a little salt, and also I will add the seasoning cubes, my onion, red onion, and finally little water. I give it a little stir. Gently, huh? Then I will cover it and allow it to cook. Okay, and now while our meat is cooking, let's prepare the rest of the ingredients. I will start by cutting the okra. So just this way, I'm trying to cut it as tiny as I can. If I can do it, you too can do it. But you have to be very careful not to cut your hand. Do you think it's easy? Yes, it's easy. What happens is that I need more practice. So I will tell my wife to do it every week, because okra soup is very, very healthy, apart of very, very delicious. So So just this way till you cut the whole okra, okay? So let's go and cut our spinach. Very carefully. We put it in a bowl. Now it's time to blend our habanero pepper and red bell pepper, both of them together, okay? So, I will blend them together. So, I think it's ready. Okay, it's not very smooth, but it's perfect to use. Okay, now our meat is done, so it's time to add our fresh fish, fresh mackerel fish, and also cow skin, pomo, gently, okay, very gently. I cover it and let it cook. Okay, our fish is done. It has been cooking together with the meat for several minutes. It's time to remove it and take it out, okay? So very, very gently we take it out. And also it's time to add our smoked mackerel fish, okay? And also our red oil. So you see, I'm not using the frying method, okay? I'm not using the frying method. I cover again. Very nice. Okay, so this is optional step. Okay, mushroom. It gives the soup a very special taste and we like it a lot. Okay, so I will add some mushroom here. And also our blended habanero pepper and red bell pepper. I will just add half of it, okay? I will give it a very gentle stir. You see, very gently for the fish. And I will cover it again. I will test a little for salt and seasoning. A little more salt. Okay, like this. Time to add our super vegetable okra. You mix it very well now, okay? Just like this. I cover it again. And finally, last step, we have to add our fresh spinach. So our fresh spinach, I mix it very well now, so that all the ingredients are well mixed. Don't forget our fish that we removed before. I cover again and I wait a little more. Okay, now it's time to enjoy. Our soup is ready. Let's go and eat. It's time to chop. Chop time. Enjoy your soup, your okra soup. And our soup is ready. Enjoy it.
Man, this soup tasted so delicious. So if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to click that like button. Subscribe if you have not yet, okay? And also share this video, please. Until we see you next time. Bye bye.